How to free draw in Adobe Acrobat. If you wanted to just scribble on your PDF, Adobe Acrobat lets you do exactly with its free drawing tool. Let's see how. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader or Adobe Pro. And on your right hand side, you can see an option for draw or a draw freehand tool. Simply tap on it. And if you're not seeing this tool, probably because of the privacy setting. However, for that issue, you can use font extend tools right over here. Tap on it and simply search for draw free tool, and that will give you an option for draw, which you can see right over here. Tap on it, and now your cursor will change into the pencil icon. Now simply place where you want to draw. For example, I want to draw a flower right over here. Let me do it. This. So it isn't that good, but this is the way that you can use it to draw. Maybe I want to draw clouds right over here. So this is the cloud. And if you want to change the color, simply right click on it, and there you can see an option for the properties. And that will open up you an option like this. And as you can see, the color is red right now. Let's change into the green color like this, and ta-da! You have also successfully changed the color of your drawing right over here. Now go ahead and try drawing, underlining or adding your own little notes directly onto your PDF. It's a fantastic way to mark things off, get creative, or just have some fun. Give it a try and see what you can create. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.